my mum and the baby. Look at that.
Getting big now, isn't it? The
And
pond.
yeah. It's Amazing Adventures. You know what's happened today? You see down floor. A bad
What's happened?
weather come and knocked the whole street down. Yeah. Look what happened. It was like that. Look.
What's happened to your paddling pool, Caleb?
This, all the way down.
And then Neva stood on it and wet all the grass, and then she went
it did
flying
this,
before.
Look, it did this. Now all the water come down.
Dad's going to pump it back up though, isn't he?
Yeah. And then we can go in the swim pool.
I can't believe that it wasn't even that long ago that you was filming here and there was no flowers. Why don't you show us? Why don't you show us all the flowers?
Oh,
Grandma's garden.
Look at this one. Doesn't really smell of anything.
Have you smelt them on the lilac tree? Have you smelt them?
What's this, guys?
Be careful, Neva.
What about smell these ones?
Hey, stop flashing. Do they smell nice?
They smell like something. I don't know.
Guess what? Do you know what's this? The balls. Can you help me?
Hey guys, look! This is like our plant at home. We have
Oh
a plant
yeah,
like
it
this,
is.
but it's a little smaller. Oh, look at the
Have you
flowers.
smelled? Can you
Not
reach some
now.
purple flowers? They smell so nice.
And this time we can fill my bubble.
Guys, I've got a brilliant idea.
Hi, Spider-Day. What you doing, Spider? Are you doing something like that? Are you
Perfect.
dancer?
Did you see that, guys?
And
That's
guess
what-
what? Do you see this? Look at Caleb, what's this? Do you have
Nice.
to guess?
What are you?
Yeah, what's the balls?
Guys, I've got one of these. It's not good.
Oh, this.
Oh, come over here.
Oh, you should smell this.
Nice. This is my mum and the baby. Look at that.
Getting big now, isn't it? The pond.
And yeah, this is when I'm 6, so that's been quite a long time. We're in the garden playing. This is little sister Neva. Wow, it's a nice view. How big is that tree? Oh, look at this tree.
I'm his neighbor.
Oh my
and I
gosh,
live in
that
the
is
place,
so
and I'm
big.
flooded, and
Look,
I'm
I'll show you this time. That's Grandma over there. Dad there. And here's Grandma making coffee. And right,
You have to
You've
watch
got the-
where you're filming, Caleb.
you've got to see that tree over there. It's big, isn't it?
my book.
So let's go to my sister.
Careful,
I'm
you
gonna-
don't slip on that grass because it's really wet.
Oh yeah, I won't slip. Look, so this is me in my garden where I am here, right here. See this, all this. So I'm going to show you around then. Right, this is a big tree. A big one.
Oh, goody.
Okay.
Keep it steady. Oh my gosh.
So right, I'm going to give you back to my mum and then I can film. So guys, guess what? I've got something to show you. What's this, guys?
What's this?
What's out there for?
What's this?
Didn't you do that last time?
What's this,
What's-
guys? What's this, guys? I can do this. I can do this. And my Bobby Doggy.
What's this?
My baby doggy.
Look. I'm going to climb here to there. So you do this. What's this?
Nathan, what are you doing with your arms?
Look at this, guys. Like a monkey.
Wow.
And big.
Oh, your dress is going to get so dirty with that mud,
Guys,
Neva.
guess what?
Come on.
If I'm stuck underneath, guess what? It's time to tip the water out.
No, I'm doing it with this.
So you're taking this pool
Full
home?
of the garden.
Flood the garden apart.
It'll mess Grandma's grass up. No, let Grandma do that.
Can I help you do one?
Yeah, but are you going to just chuck it on?
Yeah, I'm just going to chuck it down in that. Oh, guys,
I'll tell you what, put some on those flowers behind you. Put it on the tubs, right, Caleb.
Me too.
On the tubs.
Me too. My turn.
Go and get in that cupboard over there, there's a jug. Go and get the jug. Come.
Go and have a look, Never. Careful you don't slip.
Next to the fridge. Next to the fridge, Never, on the bottom shelf.
You too.
Where are you going? That's it. Good boy.
Can you see it? Have you found it? Oh, no, that's Grandma's drink. She said there was... Oh, down here, have a look.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a jug. Use that one, that'll be better for you.
Okay.
There you go.
Got some? Good girl. Are you going to do Grandma's tubs?
I'm going to do the big plant.
Okay. That's it. Good. Thank you. Right.
Could you have the... Can I have the tub here? No.
You're a big strong boy. You can use that. Good boy.
She thought your coffee was a jug and she was getting that down.
Oh no. Wait.
Come on, neighbour. Keep tipping it on that
And to
plant.
water those flowers as well, neighbour, there. Neighbour. Water those flowers there, those orange ones with Caleb. All round there. And over there doesn't get much as well, Caleb.
right.
Over there.
There we go, perfect. Now I can get a bit of sun to dry.
Yeah.
There you
If
go.
not, I can go over it with a towel.
Are you trying to spin it more, eh?
I can't. I'm a brat. My knees, guys. I dropped down. What's this?
Oh no, that's a false start. No, you have to start again, neighbour. Oh, she's
Are you going to go again?
Try again, neighbour. You see,
top, neighbour.
after that, you're going to see the muddiest soul ever. That truck banging, boom, on the mud, and it's going to get.
Now mind you, Caleb, let it go.
After this, the
Let it
mud
go.
show of the trucks jumping up and down. Hey, the mud big show. You see how big the show will be. What's this, guys?
Oh, look at Careful, Joe. You're crashing up.
My turn. She didn't even care. What's this, guys? My turn. I was doing all my play stuff, now I'm in swim pool. Oh!
So we brought this pool from Grandma's house, didn't we? And Neighbour's filling it. Oh, don't let her. No, Neighbour. Don't get angry now. Don't. She's doing a really good job, aren't you? Hey? You're doing a good job? You're filling it for ages. Careful.
The camera's wet.
You're wetting the camera, Neighbour.
Okay, my turn. Okay.
You're lying down.
What's this, guys? He said, what's it?
Leave her a minute. She wants to get out.
And then what? Caleb, Mommy, so what this?
Is that nice?
That was so scary, guys.
I'm going to join my pool, so I hope you like my video. Subscribe below. Bye!